My country people, Ruby Orjiakor don finally shake this table wey we dey manage as she don call out Babarex for using wetin Chaii Junior Pope as content. According to her write-up on her Instagram page, she call out Babarex, come even tag him join. She con dey question Babarex, say why would you do such a content? She con dey ask him, say I thought you were JP's friend. She con dey cry, say JP, I warned you. I tell you say no love in the industry. Now wey you don buy, see as everybody don move on. Let's take a look at her write-up and hear wetin she talk. She talk say, I came to pray specifically for you, superstar. About swag, your legacy will never be forgotten. I also want to let you know that Babarex, she con tag am, your own man has started using what happened to you as content too. Everybody done, they find their belle. No one cares. If only you had listened to me. Again, Adam Maluk na the producer of the movie wey by him. Instead of feeling guilty for what happened to you and others, she was busy telling the whole world how you were begging her for jobs. I believe you can now understand better how wicked the world is. May the souls of all the faithful departed through the mercy of Christ rest in peace. It is well with my soul. My people no be small thing. This one really touched Babarex cause he replied Ruby Orjiakor. But before we see Babarex reply, let's take a look at the video that caused all this commotion. Let me play the video so you self go be the judge of the video. Grab your popcorn, watch till the very end. Don't skip any part of this video. Let me play it.
I'm rolling. All right, my mother's secret, master shot and a medium to 2, take 1. Action!
You never give us blocking action.
What's the blocking?
I
said dive into the water. The water. You dive first. Okay. You go down there, then bring the treasure out. Okay, like that's what I need. Okay, so that where that yes, down there. Dive in, go under. Okay. Under till the other side. Okay. Yes. Then you pick the treasure and come out. Okay, treasure. You don't. The treasure. He did there. It's there.
The props has.
He's there.
Who drop on there? The props.
Hurry up, please. Action. No, that is please, you're wasting my time now. I said dive into the water, go there and bring the treasure. The blocking is not clear to me, sir. I don't understand. I read the script. I don't see any place where they say dive in. You know the script. The inspiration just came now. Dive in. Okay, you just get the inspiration now. Yes, dive in. We're making film. Dive in.
Okay, we should dive in.
So that place
is in the middle or at the end?
You are wasting my time. I said dive in here. Dive in here. Go to that, swim to the other side and bring the treasure out. Okay. Let's go. Action. What do you say when we dive in?
Someone dive in.
Title, please. See, an actor's prepare. Me, I'm not prepared. I want to understand what we really do. I don't understand. I said listen to me. I'm wasting my time. Dive into this water. Go in. Go, my friend, be very careful. Okay. You have to dive, not me. I'm not following you now. Okay. So, listen, dive into the water. Go to the other side and bring the treasure. Okay, now, director, please, with all due respect, can you dive in? Because the word dive, I never really. You dive in. I'm not an actor. Okay. You have been paid for this job. I am not an actor. Dive into the water and then go to the other side and bring the treasure. Oh, simple.
Excuse me, D. No problem. D, please. D. Sorry. Can you come and show us?
Just show us. You dive in. I am not an actor. I'm a director. I can't be diving. You are an actor. You were paid. Go in. Go in. You are wasting my time. You are still rolling. Yes. Rolling. All right, too early. My mother's secret. Okay. Action. Yes, just go. Go close to the water. Go close.
But why you no first dive?
Dive where? Am I an actor? Get out, my friend. I'm an actor. If this one make me not be actor, I'm gonna cut the thing. You go dive. You
my people, now the video be this. Make we take a look at wetin Babarex tell Ruby Orjiakor. He talk say, "Dear Ruby, normally I don't owe you any explanation for the video, but I will let you know so that people will read. That video was a real situation on set. I refused to enter the water and they had to change the entire script. I was trying to pass a message and I'm sure some people saw the message. But because you love Junior Pope too much, you decided to call me out. Madam, respect yourself. Try not to piss me off. I won't warn you again. For the people who really know me, know say I be content myself. I know they chase her." All these things, there's a lot of reactions and so many people reacted to this. Some they support Babarex, some they support Ruby Orjiakor, some they tell am say even the one way they do they show off na content. But no, Ruby Orjiakor truly cared for Junior Pope, so we no go call am content. Abeg, she know they chase crowd to Junior Pope saga. Abeg. So my people, waiting una think. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more ogbonge news with the totori body. Una now see they do one for my page. Stay safe out there. See your one and only amebo girl Cindy. Oh yeah now. Bye.